Hi, Jake with Design Homes. We're back at our Magnolia and Soraya farms as we wrap up our final phases and prepare the home for completion. Let's check them out. For this build, we chose a luxury plank flooring with carpet in the bedroom areas. The combination of the two provides a warmth throughout the home that complements the interior finishes. In our carpeted rooms, we use an upgraded 8-pound pad as our standard. This provides an extra cushion and coziness to those areas. One of the final steps in the process is our plumbing and lighting fixtures. Each fixture is carefully selected by our in-house design team to complement each space and the features around it. Each plumbing and electric fixture is carefully installed by our expert trade partners and tested to ensure reliable operation for years to come. In addition to our mechanical finishes, we'll also install various accessories throughout the home. This will include our towel bars, towel rings, mirrors, shower doors, and anything else to make the home move-in ready.